If you engage in a lot of negative stuff over the weekend, your Monday will be a boring Monday. You'll get up and you don't want to go to work. You'll probably sleep in until 10, 11 o'clock. Well, it depends on what type of job you are doing and what kind of work you want to you are in, and your level of commitment, and whether you are whether the organization is depending on you, or you are just passing time doing stuff, not serious about what you are doing in your workspace or your organization. But for those of us, those people who have a business to run, who have a small SME to grow, you know, Monday is a very important day. You know what? Because you get to check your diary. You get to check your diary and get things done. And one plus something by me talk sa email kita is to remind us is like, even when you don't feel like doing it, you have to focus, and get it done. When you get the first thing done, or if you tick the first box on Monday, I tell you, the next remaining task on that day or the coming days in that week will be successful, because you managed to pull yourself up, get your act together, and check the first box. This is very important. Check the first box. Have a great day.